So in this Ndax tutorial, I will be showing you how to add funds to your account by e-transfer on Ndax. So once you guys open up Ndax, what I want you to do is to go to the very bottom and select the big circle that is purple. Once you're here where it says add funds, deposit cash or crypto into your account, select that. Once you're here, I want you to go ahead under fiat assets and select the Canadian dollar. And then where it says deposit or select deposit method, go ahead and choose Interac e-transfer. Once e-transfer is selected, you are going to be presented the following information. So you can go to your bank account, so whether it's like RBC, TD, whatever, and copy in this information. So send an e-transfer to this name, this payment, as well as make sure to include the unique message code, and then you can add a security answer and question if you want. And if this looks good to go, you can copy all this information into an e-transfer and add funds to your account this way. So that is how to add funds to your account by e-transfer on Ndax. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.